What's up, online shoppers? If you're looking to get yourself a weight bench that is versatile and designed for all kinds of different applications, I'm here to answer your questions about the YOLEO commercial adjustable weight bench. This is definitely a versatile weight bench that will do incline, decline, and flat positions without taking up massive space. It focuses on heavy-duty steel construction, multiple adjustment positions, thicker padding, and compact storage. And to boot, it has a fantastic set of wheels on it and a handle right here that makes moving it super easy. So what makes the YOLEO weight bench stand out from the other options in the category? First of all, it's built of heavy-duty steel. The frame itself is really well constructed and it does get the commercial grade stamp. It supports multiple workout angles, including decline, incline, and flat, giving you a lot of flexibility with how you can use this versatile piece of equipment. The 2.4-inch thick foam padding is really significantly more comfortable than any weight bench that I've ever laid on. I also think that ease of use is a really significant advantage for anybody who wants to use it in a small space where you have to wheel things in and wheel things out, and it is also super compact and doesn't have a big footprint. Now, another question you might have is this going to be good for beginners or more experienced gym rats, or is it going to serve everybody? I definitely say that this bench is beginner friendly because it's really easy to use. The movement between the different positions is simply just a pull up and go. You don't have to worry about moving or repositioning pegs. Everything in here moves really sturdy and adjusts really easy and really quick. The fact that it is so lightweight, but that it meets commercial standards, holding up to over 2,000 pounds, it's gonna fit well in your garage gym, your basement gym, or your small workout corner. Plus, it's a nice way to get started on your fitness journey without having thousands of dollars invested in it. Now, how stable is the bench during workouts? The easiest way for me to show you is just to basically show you what it looks like. And I can't think of anything harder on a bench than when you step up on it. It felt stable and sturdy even when I was standing on it, and if I can stand on it and it doesn't feel like there's an earthquake coming, I think that's a pretty significant indicator of what it's going to be like during different phases of a workout with a variety of different exercises and weights. The base itself is really wide. I love the square feet at the bottom. I think that helps to add to the stability, and especially in this price category and compact design, I think that's unusual to find in a product like this. Now, as far as exercise versatility, you've got lots of different options. The flat bench is great for working on chest development. Incline presses and incline curls, really great for bicep and chest. The decline setting works really great for sit-ups and anything that's ab focused. So whether you're doing dumbbell rows, tricep extensions, shoulder presses, or flies, this is definitely a bench that's gonna let you do all that stuff. The padding on here is thick. I have purchased entry-level weight benches where it looked like it had a thick padding like this, but the foam that was in there was actually not a commercial grade. It wasn't really thick or up for the demands of heavy weight being pushed on it, but this is really thick foam. The density is high on it, and that means that when I'm laying on it and I'm holding a heavy weight, it actually is conforming to my body and not having me pressed up against a board or a bar. Now, if you have a question about storage, I have shown you that it does take up a really small footprint. It's not very wide at all, this way or that way. You don't have to worry about being able to lift it. You just have to be able to roll it. Lightweight construction, but commercial grade standards means this is a really great compromise between this entry level and a much more expensive piece of equipment without sacrificing on quality. So I guess the final question is, who is this bench best suited for? If you are someone who is really into lifting and you're lifting heavier weights consistently all the time, you might want to go with a bench that has a little bit more towards the commercial grade. But as far as I'm concerned, for someone who is entry level or even mid-level into a weightlifting journey, there is no reason to look any farther than this amazing bench by YOLEO. It has thick foam, super quality construction, ease of use, and is a really good compromise between a commercial grade piece of equipment and lightweight construction that's compact and easy to move around and store. If you're focused on dumbbell fitness and general overall training, this is a great bench for you. If you're a beginner that's getting started on your journey, this will give you a lot of versatility and flexibility in your workouts without having to have multiple pieces of equipment. If you're looking for strong value without having to pay commercial grade equipment prices, this is also going to be a piece that you want in your own personal home gym. It delivers excellent functionality, convenience, and it's actually a really nice looking piece of equipment to put in your home gym. As far as I'm concerned, this one here, a family favorite at our house.